Jupiter's south magnetic pole is failing. Not slowly, not gradually. 20% weaker than it was 5 years ago. And nobody saw it coming. This isn't a measurement error. 3 independent spacecraft confirmed it. Juno's magnetometer recorded the drop during its latest pass. The field lines that should anchor deep into the planet are bending, twisting, collapsing inward like a structure losing its foundation. Here's why that matters. Jupiter's magnetic field is the largest structure in the solar system. It stretches 2 million miles into space, trapping radiation that would sterilize anything organic in hours. Earth's entire magnetosphere could fit inside one of Jupiter's field loops 20 times over, and now it's failing on the southern hemisphere. Scientists just figured out why, and the mechanism behind it suggests Jupiter's interior is nothing like what the textbooks describe. It's worse, and it's irreversible. Jupiter generates its magnetic field the same way Earth does. A spinning core of conductive material creates a dynamo. But Jupiter's core isn't iron, it's metallic hydrogen. Liquid hydrogen compressed under so much pressure, it stops being a gas and starts conducting electricity like metal. Nobody has ever seen metallic hydrogen. We can't make it in a lab. The pressures required are beyond anything we can replicate. It only exists in the crushing depths of gas giants. And Jupiter has an ocean of it, thousands of miles deep, spinning with the planet. But here's the problem. Juno's gravity measurements just revealed the metallic hydrogen layer isn't uniform. The southern hemisphere's layer is thinner, uneven, like the planet is lopsided on the inside. That asymmetry is why the south magnetic pole is collapsing. A thinner metallic hydrogen layer generates a weaker field, and as Jupiter spins, the imbalance is getting worse. The field lines are being twisted by the rotation, knotting themselves into unstable configurations. This isn't a temporary fluctuation. This is structural. While Jupiter's magnetic field collapses below, something impossible is happening above. At the North Pole, 8 cyclones have been locked in perfect geometric formation for over 6 years. Each storm 600 miles across, each one spinning at 400 miles per hour, and none of them drifting even slightly out of position. Gas giants aren't supposed to have stable geometry. Their atmospheres are chaos. Wind speeds vary by latitude. Pressure zones shift. Heat convection creates turbulence. There's no framework for 8 independent hurricanes to maintain spacing like they're welded in place. But they are. And new data suggests why. Deep below the storms in the pressure zones, Juno's microwave scans can penetrate. There are vertical columns of fast-moving gas, convection pillars rising from thousands of miles down, anchoring the surface storms like tent poles driven into bedrock. These pillars shouldn't be stable either, but they are. Because Jupiter's interior rotation isn't uniform. Different layers spin at different speeds, creating shear zones that lock the convection columns in place. It's a planetary-scale machine with no off switch. The storms will keep spinning for thousands of years, maybe millions. And there's no atmospheric process that can dismantle them. Jupiter's North Pole is locked into a pattern it can't escape. The Great Red Spot has been shrinking for 200 years. Everyone knows that. But new high-resolution data reveals it's not fading, it's compressing, getting smaller in diameter but extending deeper into the atmosphere. Juno's latest pass measured the storm's depth at over 250 miles, 50 miles deeper than 5 years ago. Wind speeds at the edge just hit 430 miles per hour, faster than ever recorded. The storm is drilling itself into Jupiter. As it shrinks horizontally, it's gaining energy vertically, penetrating pressure zones that should shred any surface weather pattern. But the red spot isn't being destroyed. It's transforming into something more stable, more permanent. If this continues, the red spot won't disappear. It'll root so deep into Jupiter's atmosphere that no surface turbulence can dislodge it. A storm that's already lasted 300 years could become a permanent atmospheric feature, embedded in the planet like a scar. And there's no mechanism to stop it. The red spot isn't dying. It's evolving into something Jupiter can't get rid of. Europa's ice shell is cracking, not slowly, continuously. Webb Telescope detected water vapor plumes erupting from surface fractures last year, which means Europa's subsurface ocean is under pressure. Enough pressure to force water through miles of ice and launch it into space. That ocean is 100 kilometers deep. No sunlight penetrates. No atmospheric oxygen exchange. Just liquid water under crushing pressure, heated by tidal flexing, sitting on a rocky seafloor in total darkness for 4 billion years. If anything is alive in Europa's ocean, it evolved in complete isolation. No evolutionary pressure from surface predators, no seasonal variation, no migration, just an enclosed, pressurized abyss with no connection to anything else in the universe. We have no reference for what that kind of isolation produces. Earth's deep ocean life still connects to the surface through nutrient cycles and chemical exchange. Europa's ocean doesn't. It's a sealed system. If life exists there, it's operating on biological principles we've never encountered. Europa Clipper will fly through these geysers in 2030 and analyze the chemistry. If it detects organic molecules, we'll know something is happening down there. But we won't know what, or how, or whether it even resembles what we call life. Jupiter's gravity warps space-time within 400,000 miles. Anything that enters that radius experiences time dilation measurable by atomic clocks. 1 second on Io is not 1 second in deep space. Jupiter is bending reality around itself just by existing, but that gravity comes with cost. Io is being destroyed. Europa's ocean is locked in pressure. Ganymede's magnetic field is being twisted by Jupiter's collapsing south pole. Every moon in the Jovian system is being warped, heated, or irradiated by proximity to a planet that operates as a miniature physics laboratory. Jupiter formed first in our solar system. Its gravity determined where every other planet could exist. It shaped the asteroid belt by preventing planetesimals from coalescing. It deflects comets that would otherwise bombard Earth. But Jupiter isn't stable. Its magnetic field is asymmetric. Its interior is deformed. Its moons are being shredded. And all of it is irreversible. There's no corrective mechanism, no equilibrium state. Jupiter is a machine built with flawed parts, and it's been running on borrowed time for 4 billion years. Right now, 3 spacecraft are recording Jupiter's collapse in real time. Juno measures the magnetic field decay every orbit. Webb tracks atmospheric changes no visible light telescope can see. And in 2030, Europa Clipper will sample an ocean sealed off from the universe since the solar system formed. Jupiter isn't the king of planets, it's a warning. A demonstration of what happens when physics operates at scales we can't control. and time frames we can't escape. And it's happening right now, 40 minutes of light speed away.